Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Varsha Badikar from Sri Mudai Devi Shikshan Sanstha, Professor Sambajirao Kadam College, Deur, Satara. Today we are discuss about our new syllabus NEP 2.0 of Shivaji University, BSc Part 1st, Semester 2nd. Department of Botany, Paper 4th, DSc 4th, Archegoniate. In paper 4th, module 1st is Bryophyte. First of all, what is meant by Archegoniate? Archegoniate are the group of primitive plants. For example, mosses, liverworts, ferns, and most of the gymnosperms, which bears Archegonium as the female reproductive organs. The Archegoniate are originated from ancient aquatic green algae. In Archegoniate, there are three groups. First, Bryophyta, second, Pteridophytes, and third, Gymnosperm. First group is Bryophyta. Today we are discuss about our first topic, Bryophytes. So let's start. First we are see that general characters and importance. Then diversity with respect to habitats. Third, classification as per G.M. Smith in a 1955 up to classes. And last one is important features and life history of Funaria. Next point we are listening for this first point is general characters and importance. The main plant body is gametophytic. It is green, long, lived and free branched. Sporophytic phase is short lived and completely depend upon gametophyte. Most of bryophytes found in moist and shady places. Bryophytes are autotrophs. Autotrophs means they make their own foods. In bryophytes reproduces by vegetative and sexual method. Their economic importance are medicinal use, antibiotic properties as a source of food, then ecological importance as a plant indicator, as a bioindicator of water pollution, soil conservation, etc. These are the general characters of bryophytes. Then next we are explain that diversity with respect to habitats. There are lots of habitats. First is terrestrial bryophytes, means it is grow on the damp soil surface. For example, Anthoceros, Markensia, etc. Then aquatic bryophyte. Aquatic bryophytes means it is grow in fresh water. For example, Rixia. Then third, saprophytic bryophytes. That means grow on dead organic matter. For example, Boxbumia, etc. Then epiphyllous bryophytes means they are grow on a leaves, and epilithic bryophytes means grow on a rock. That's the diversity with respect to habitats of bryophytes. Next point is classification as per G.M. Smith in a 1955 up to classes. In this diagram there are show classification of bryophytes as per G.M. Smith. There are show division bryophyta. In bryophyta there are show three classes. First Hepaticea, then Anthoceratia and Masai. That means Bryopsida. In first class Hepaticea there are four orders, and second class is Anthoceracea. That means Anthoceropsida. There are one class, and last is Masai. That means Bryopsida. There are three subclasses, and last classes is Bride. In Bride there are also two subclasses. Look at this chart classification as per G.M. Smith carefully. The next point is important features and life history of Funaria. There are show diagram of Funaria. First, systematic position as per G.M. Smith. Funaria kingdom is Plantae, then sub-kingdom is Cryptogams. Then their division is Bryophyta, class Bryopsida, then order Funariales and family Funariaceae. And last, genus is Funaria. Their occurrence is the species are found in the moist and shady places. This is show the diagram of Funaria. There are show two types, sporophyte and gametophyte. In sporophyte there are operculum, capsule and seta. And last and below the gametophyte, leaves, stem and rhizoids are including this gametophyte. Look at this diagram. Funaria species. The next point is anatomy. Transverse section of axis, stem, leaf and seta. There are show some diagrams of Funaria. TS section of axis, their stem, their leaf and their seta. There are show 4 diagram. Stem diagram, then leaf diagram, seta diagram and axis diagram of Funaria. This is show the anatomy of transverse section of axis, stem, leaf and seta of Funaria. Look at this diagram carefully. There are so many types, there are so many labels. There are also show the species of Funaria, then TS of axis. Then next, reproduction. Funaria reproduces by vegetative and sexual reproduction. There are two types, vegetative and sexual reproduction. There are show diagram, vegetative and sexual reproduction. Look at this diagram carefully. First it's vegetative diagram and second one is sexual reproduction diagram. How they reproduce their organs, their parts. Carefully looking this diagram, all the students. Now the last point is alternation of generation. Alternation of generation means the life complete their life cycle. That means their reproduction, their characters, their habitats, like that. Look at this diagram, alternation of generation. This is the life cycle of Funaria. I hope you all students understand this topic, Bryophytes. Thank you so much all of you.